Hi, I'm Annette. I'm a textile designer and a fashion illustrator. Today we are going to talk about how to use acrylic markers on ceramics. We are going to demonstrate several creative projects like upcycling a broken porcelain mug, designing a geometric pattern terracotta bowl, and creating a custom designed vase. Other surfaces and inspirations can be found on our website and YouTube channel. The links are in the description. As always, if you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and follow us for other tips and tricks. There are several varieties of objects made from ceramic material, such as porcelain or terracotta. Glazed objects do not absorb paint, whereas unglazed, porous surfaces absorb the paint. All ceramic surfaces are suitable for painting beautiful patterns on them, however, the patterns do not last without baking the object. So it's very important that after the paint layer has dried on the object, it must be immediately put in the oven before contact with water. Fortunately, home ovens are perfect for this purpose. We've broken our favorite mug, but would like to preserve it somehow. By putting it back together and painting it in a new style, it can serve its new purpose as a pen holder. First, we have to glue the broken pieces together. For this, we have to use a special type of glue for ceramics. Once the glue has dried, we can begin to paint. The concept is to paint each broken piece a different color. The porcelain mug is covered with glaze, so it has a very slippery surface. I work carefully with the marker and make sure not to smear the pattern with my hands. As the surface is smooth, it's easy to draw on it precisely. Until the drying time of around 15 minutes has passed, be careful at the edges. When the paint layer has dried, we can bake the mug in the oven to solidify the pattern. Here we have a plain, natural colored terracotta bowl we want to liven up. In comparison to porcelain, terracotta has an absorbent surface when unglazed. I apply one layer with the marker, which provides an even layer of paint. The pattern on the terracotta bowl surface solidifies after baking. Here we have a plain, white glazed ceramic vase, which we would like to jazz up with an exciting pattern. In terms of drawing precision, drying time and layering characteristics, ceramics are the same as porcelain. For more inspiration regarding decorating ceramics, you can visit our website. If you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and follow us on YouTube and on our social media channels.